Walkers is just everywhere with many things all over the place at the moment. And this is Walker's Double Crunch KFC Zinger. There's the kernel. So I've already tried the KFC ones, which were just the regular max. These are the double crunch, so they should be extra crunchy, and they're zinger, so they should have a bit more of a zing. So we will take a look at the ingredients on the back, and we'll probably see many secret ingredients and the fact they're suitable for vegetarians, which is good. And apparently they're on fire. Obviously we know that these are going to be reasonably hot. I'm not expecting super hot because I've had super hot crisps before, and they had effect. But they were super hot crisps, super hot. So let's crack open this little bag. I can already smell stuff in the air. Give you a glimpse inside the deep confines of the bag. At the crisps, they look really big and thick and stuff. Hopefully they do have a double crunch. They don't smell too dissimilar to the previous ones. A little bit greasier. A little thicker. A lot crunchier. And they definitely have a zing. A bit of a burn there. Obviously if you're into really hot things, and you probably think, these are hot? Yeah, what are you on about? They're hot for me. And they're hot enough. And the more you have, the more burn there'll be. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say these are probably better than the regular KFC ones. Extra crunchy KFC flavour, plus an extra tingle of zinger burn. Really rather good. I would rate these above. So whilst I crunch, let me know in the comments below. Have you had these? What are your thoughts? And as I need to wrap up, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And I shall see you. Yeah, I'll see you, but the bag won't.